What is up, guys? So Android 10 for the G7 has rolled out, so let's go ahead and show you. I had it since this morning here, system about, and I'll redo everything, sort of like an updated review on this since it has Android 10. But as you can see, Android 10, and it's really snappy. That's one of the first things you're gonna notice, is just how snappy everything is on here. So very minimal lag on here, which is very nice. You can see I have the new gestures enabled on here. As you can see, the new drop down menu, everything is flat. Looks like the GH drop down menu on here. Screen share and screen recording, all that stuff is still on here. So everything just looks more clean, and also the settings, which is the biggest thing, has been cleaned up with the Android 10 settings menu right here. So let's go ahead and go to display, and if you want to get your gestures, you just go to navigation bar. You can do the gestures and buttons, or you can just go back to the buttons only, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty much like the iPhone gestures. You swipe back to get back. And if you're on home screen, you just swipe from the side to get the Google Assistant. So let's go back to display. Another thing is dark mode on here, so I can set a scheduled time if I want to set it up to be like at 7 p.m. is when I want my phone to go dark mode, and then boom, it'll be dark mode or night mode. So that's very nice. So everything is dark themed. Let's see if I go to Google now. You see dark now, so that's very awesome as well. Back to display here, the always on display, which I don't really recommend on the G7 unless you're like, if you're going out or if you just really need to save battery. I don't recommend keeping this on, but this has all of the settings from the G8 on here now. So as you can see, I can do a whole bunch of customizations on what I want my always on display to look like. See, I have it on this one. You have just a whole bunch of stuff that you can play with and mess with. From GIFs, you can add an image, color. You can add your own personal writings on here now. Also, city, state for the weather and stuff like that. And again, I could change the color up and stuff like that. So very customizable for the always on settings here. So that is very awesome as well. So if I turn that off, even though it's an IPS display, as you can see, there it is. And this is for the T-Mobile version. Now the Sprint version, I don't know if it has it yet, but I know the AT&T and the unlocked versions got it first, which is very nice. So what else was there I wanted to show you guys? Oh, the pop-up window. So say I just hold that down, pop-up window, press that, and now I have the pop-up window enabled. Go to settings, and I have that enabled to mess around with and stuff like that. So how cool is that? Alright, so that's pretty much the gist of the update. When it hits my V40, I'll do it for this one as well, see if performance has gotten snappier, which it should. But this one has not got it yet, and this is a T-Mobile version. Yeah, this is a T-Mobile version, but I still haven't got mine yet, so I'll be looking for it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.